Hello friends. Today in this video I want to share some useful information for the software developers who lost their jobs. And so I appeal to all the viewers to please share this video in your network and ask your viewers to reshare it. There are some online platforms that offer you earning methods by developing a software. These are generally categorized into two. One, service platform. Second, publishing platform. Service platforms connect businesses to freelancers. On these platforms, businesses post their software requirements, freelancers bid for the work to be done. Business then chooses a correct bid and offers the work. In general, freelancers work on hourly basis on these platforms. The platform itself takes some commission, but on the other hand, it ensures the payout. Examples of such platforms are Upwork.com, Freelancer.com. So I suggest you to register on these sites, pass some assessment tests, and try whether you get some job on it. It would take a day to understand the terms and conditions about the work, but it is worth trying. Second one is a publishing platform. This is quite interesting even for a longer term. If you have any simple idea on creating any small utility software that is presentable, then you can build it and sell it on these platforms. Customers keep searching for their solutions. If they find your software is helpful for them, then they buy it. This platform keeps the commission and delivers you a generated revenue. Why is this interesting? Is because you need to write your software once and it keeps selling automatically, and you keep getting the revenue as long as it keeps selling. Example of such a platform for a developer is CodeCanyon.net and CodeGrep.net. Now, are you a HTML designer? If you are HTML designer who creates HTML templates, or a WordPress developer who can create WordPress plugins or WordPress themes, then you can try for a themeforest.net. It also does the similar work, but for the designers specifically. Then, do you love technical writing? You can simply write any small book, whichever idea you're interested in, and publish it on the Kindle platform. Kindle is the Amazon product which avails the features to publish your books in the printed format and online publishing also. So Kindle, with the help of Kindle, you can publish books online, where you just need to create one PDF and upload to them and fill up some form. It gets uploaded and published within some 72 hours. And then you can, if you are publishing your book in English, then you can publish the printed books also. It currently does not support Hindi or the Devanagari scripts especially. Then do you have teaching skills? If you have teaching skills, then what you can do is you can create the series of the videos, call it a course, and then publish this whole course on a platform called Udemy. Udemy offers lot many courses. You can be a tutor there. You can publish your courses. They keep paying you as long as they get sold. So these are a few interesting platforms. Depending upon your skill sets, you can choose them. You can try them. Okay, I'm neither affiliated to any of these platforms nor I can ensure you a success. But you must not stop trying. There are multiple ways to earn for your family and you must give them a try. And of course, keep trying, keep searching for the next job. Please share this video in your network. Someone may find it beneficial for him or for her. Thank you and take care.